Imagine gazing up at the night sky, not just at the familiar moon and stars, but at a visitor from the deepest reaches of our solar system, a celestial wanderer making a fleeting appearance that no human alive today would ever witness again. This was the ethereal spectacle offered by Comet NEOWISE in the summer of 2020. NEOWISE wasn't just any comet. It was a marvel, a true giant among its kind, gracing our skies with not one but two magnificent tails, a breathtaking display visible even to the naked eye. Its journey brought it incredibly close to Earth, a cosmic hello before it began its long, solitary retreat. And what a retreat it would be! Its vast elliptical orbit means that the next time NEOWISE sweeps back into our neighborhood, it will be approximately 7,000 years from now. Let that sink in for a moment. 7 millennia. A span of time so immense it renders our individual lives, our civilizations, almost imperceptible. For astronomers and astrophotographers, this was more than just a passing curiosity. It was a once-in-a-lifetime, or more accurately, a once-in-many-lifetimes opportunity. They were driven by a profound desire, almost a sacred duty, to capture its majesty, to record its ephemeral beauty for posterity, to freeze a moment in time of a phenomenon that would elude all future generations for countless centuries. Enter Daniel Lopez, a seasoned astrophotographer with an intimate understanding of the night sky and a deep passion for capturing its secrets. Like many of his peers, Daniel had spent countless hours planning, preparing his equipment, calibrating his lenses, and carefully choosing his vantage points. He understood the fickle nature of the cosmos and the precision required to immortalize such a rare visitor. On a particular night, with the sky clear and the conditions just right, Daniel set up his sophisticated gear, aiming to create a stunning time-lapse image of NEOWISE, hoping to capture its delicate dance across the firmament. He meticulously captured a series of exposures, each one a brushstroke in what he envisioned as a grand celestial portrait. The comet, as he observed it through his viewfinder and later on his preliminary checks, appeared vibrant, almost alive, its two tails elegantly fanned out against the velvet black. It was, by all accounts, going to be a perfect shot, a testament to the comet's splendor and his dedication. But as Daniel began to process his precious captures, a wave of confusion, quickly followed by dismay, washed over him. Scattered across his otherwise pristine images, cutting through the dark expanse and even through the luminous tail of NEOWISE itself, were stark, unmistakable white lines. They weren't shooting stars, those fleeting streaks of natural wonder, nor were they the result of equipment malfunction, a glitch in his meticulously checked gear. These were something else entirely, something artificial, intrusive. With a growing sense of disappointment, Daniel realized the truth. His extraordinary image, the one that would preserve NEOWISE for ages, had been photobombed. The culprits were not rogue meteoroids or cosmic rays, but rather a fleet of human-made objects, SpaceX's Starlink satellites. These satellites, part of a rapidly growing constellation designed to provide global internet access, had, at the precise moment of his carefully planned long exposures, traversed his field of view. Their reflective surfaces caught their telltale signatures as bright, unwelcome streaks across the frame. This wasn't an isolated incident. Daniel Lopez's experience, while deeply personal and frustrating, became a striking symbol of a larger, evolving challenge. As humanity ventures further into space, launching thousands of satellites into Earth's orbit, the night sky, once a pristine canvas for contemplation and scientific discovery, is slowly but surely becoming more cluttered. For astronomers, especially those conducting wide-field surveys, the sheer number of satellites can interfere with crucial observations, obscuring faint galaxies or distant supernovae. The story of NEOWISE and its Starlink photobomb serves as a poignant reminder of our changing relationship with the cosmos. It's a delicate balance we seek between harnessing space for technological advancement, for global connectivity, and preserving the sanctity of the night sky for scientific inquiry, for aesthetic wonder, and for the simple human joy of gazing at the stars. As we continue to launch new constellations, we are confronted with important questions. How do we mitigate this light pollution from orbit? How do we ensure that future generations can still experience the unblemished majesty of a once-in-7,000-year comet without human-made interference? Daniel Lopez's photograph, streaked as it is, inadvertently captures not just a comet, but a moment in our history, a crossroads where our ambitions in space intersect with our ancient wonder of the universe. We are, in essence, writing the next chapter of our cosmic story, one satellite launch at a time. And perhaps, through thoughtful design and careful planning, we can learn to coexist, ensuring that the awe-inspiring beauty of the cosmos remains accessible and untarnished for all. What are your thoughts on this intersection of technology and natural wonder? Do you think the benefits of satellite constellations outweigh the challenges they pose for astronomy and astrophotography? Share your perspective in the comments below. If you found this story thought-provoking, please like this video and subscribe for more journeys into the fascinating world around us and beyond. Thank you for listening.